This week on the Business Review, TVJ's Dashan Hendricks explores different products made from bamboo.
The products on display show the possibility, from calculators to clocks, cups and spoons, computer keyboards, fans, plates, towels and keyrings. Jamaica was being introduced to a range of products which can be made from bamboo. China doing the introduction for a product whose time has come.
I'm delighted to see what bamboo's importance is being discussed on the other side of the world.
He was here to promote bamboo and rattan products last week in a symposium, the first of its kind in the Western Hemisphere, and talking up the benefits.
It helps foster environmentally sustainable economic growth and contributes to job creations, climate change mitigations, biodiversity conservation, post-disaster reconstruction, and much more.
But the first use, he stressed, is its potential to create jobs. In China, the country with the largest bamboo industry, there are 10 million jobs from the fast-growing grass. The financial gains impressive as well. On a global scale, $60 billion worth of bamboo products exported each year, half from China alone. Jamaica, he says, should take a share of that market, pointing to other countries which are either doing so now or planning to start soon.
In Colombia, Ecuador and Peru, we promote the use of bamboo as a source of flexible earthquake resilience housing. In countries from Kenya to Jamaica, bamboo charcoal is being used and sold as a clean burning, smoke-free and renewable sources of energy.
He pointed out that more and more people in developed countries are using bamboo. In Europe and in North America, he said, bamboo is used to make furniture and for replacing other products made from traditional wood, plastics, cement, and steel.
We don't have to convince people about bamboo. We have to inspire them. And bamboo is inspiring products.
The push is not just to urge Jamaica, but the region to look into the possibilities of bamboo. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.